Hi everyone, welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I'll be cooking soya sauce chicken with eggs and mushrooms. This is a quintessential Chinese comfort dish which is savory, aromatic and deeply satisfying red braised stew. Come along with me to see how this dish is prepared. Here I have 1.2 kg of chicken boneless thighs. You leave the skin on. The first thing we need to do is to marinate it with Hua Tiao Chiew, Chinese wine. You can replace it with sherry or Japanese sake if you cannot find this wine. Or if you do not consume wine, just omit it, no problem. I've also added 1 tablespoon of dark soya sauce. Mix everything well and then put it aside and marinate for 20 minutes. While marinating the chicken, let's prepare the gravy. Just heat up the wok and then add 1 tablespoon of oil. Then pour in our rock sugar. You can substitute rock sugar with white granulated sugar. Add in a bit of water to help with the melting process. Stir fry the sugar until it caramelizes before adding chicken is a crucial technique for our soya sauce chicken to achieve the signature deep, glossy and savory sweet flavor. After a while, you can see that it turns golden brown at the side and it turns deep brown very fast. So then when it comes to deep brown, add in water very slowly. Be careful as it bubbles and sizzles very vigorously. Then add in the aromatics like the ginger slices, the garlic cloves. You can just leave the cloves whole like that, no need to bash it. And 2 star anise. Then we have got the cinnamon stick and also 2 stalks of spring onions knotted. Then add in soya sauce, dark soya sauce, Hua Tiao Chiew or sherry or sake, or if you don't take wine, just omit it. I also added in 1 teaspoon of 5-spice powder. Bring this mixture to a boil. So once it's boiling, we can add in the chicken. Okay, don't forget to pour in the marinating liquid as well. They will be very delicious. Okay, so then I also added the rehydrated shiitake mushroom. So just put it in and submerge them as much as possible below the gravy. Then cover and boil over medium heat for 20 minutes. So 20 minutes later, our chicken is almost cooked but not quite there yet. You can see that the pieces are browning and we need to turn it, the pieces, so that they brown equally everywhere. Then we'll turn off the heat, and let the chicken sit for about another 20 minutes to let the chicken braise gently. This ensures that the chicken finish cooking until it is safe, moist and tender without the intense direct heat that causes it to become dry and rubbery. Our chicken is cooked. Look at this distinctive deep colored skin. It is glossy in texture and it is so aromatic. So we can take it out. Then add in 8 hard-boiled eggs. So we are going to boil it gently for about 5 minutes. Then we're going to take out the eggs as well as the mushrooms. Also take out the aromatics, they have done their job. So we will just throw them out. Okay, so then we are going to bring the gravy to a boil. So once it boils, we want to thicken this gravy using our cornstarch slurry. So add the cornstarch slurry a little bit at a time, like 2 tablespoons at a time, and then stir to determine the consistency. If it is the right consistency, then that's the amount that you want. So if you want it to be thicker, like my case here, I will put another 2 tablespoons of this cornstarch slurry. Then stir again and bring to boil. So as long as it is thick enough to form a velvety, glossy, rich and thick gravy which coats the back of your ladle, then I think the gravy is just right in consistency. So before we cut the chicken, let's just brush the chicken with a mixture of the gravy and the sesame seed oil. It makes it more aromatic and more glossy. Then we are going to cut this chicken into bite sizes. The slow braising has resulted in the chicken becoming incredibly juicy and tender. Look at how beautiful the deep brown polished sheen on the skin. This dish is traditionally served over steamed rice or tossed with noodles to soak up the leftover savory gravy. Before serving, I normally drizzle the dish with a lovely sauce. Just pour it over the chicken, pour it over the eggs, as well as over our tender, succulent mushrooms. So we can also top it with julienne spring onions. I normally serve this soya sauce chicken as on a bed of Ipoh hor fun on vegetables and topped with delicious chicken. Then I would drizzle the sauce liberally over it. Then we can also spread or sprinkle crispy fried shallots on top. This Ipoh hor fun, which is the thin flat rice noodles, is silky and smooth when drizzled with the gravy and topped with this tender braised soya sauce chicken. Look at how delicious it looks. My family loves this comforting home-style braise very much, and I hope yours will too. Thanks for watching, and as always, happy cooking!